the power of partnerships, lenders, and your apartment investment journey. In the world of apartment investing, securing favorable financing is paramount to success. While property identification and market analysis are crucial, it is the relationship you cultivate with lenders that can make or break your investment goals. Building strong and lasting partnerships with financial institutions is not just advantageous, it is essential. Think of lenders as your financial allies, not just transaction processors. A true partnership with a lender extends beyond a single deal. It involves open communication, mutual respect, and a shared understanding of your investment strategy. This collaborative approach can unlock a world of opportunities, providing you with a competitive edge in securing the best possible loan terms and paving the way for future investment success. This journey begins with understanding the lender's perspective. Lenders are in the business of managing risk. They seek assurance that their investment, in the form of a loan, is secure and will yield returns. By demonstrating your credibility as a borrower, presenting a well-structured loan package, and fostering a relationship built on trust and transparency, you can significantly increase your chances of securing the financing you need to bring your apartment investment dreams to life. Remember, a successful apartment investment journey is not a solo endeavor. It requires a team of skilled professionals working in unison, with lenders playing a pivotal role. By understanding the dynamics of these relationships and approaching them strategically, you can unlock the power of partnerships and set yourself on the path to long-term investment success. Building trust, the foundation of successful lending relationships. Trust is the bedrock of any successful relationship, and the same holds true for your interactions with lenders. Establishing credibility and demonstrating your trustworthiness as a borrower is crucial for securing favorable loan terms and building long-lasting partnerships with financial institutions. One of the most effective ways to build credibility is through consistent communication. Keep your lender informed about the progress of your investment, both good and bad. Regularly update them on your financial performance, market conditions, and any challenges you may be facing. This transparency demonstrates your commitment to the partnership and fosters a sense of trust and confidence. Professionalism is equally important in building trust. Always conduct yourself with the utmost integrity and respect in all your interactions with lenders. Respond to inquiries promptly, provide accurate and complete documentation, and honor your commitments. Remember, lenders are more likely to extend favorable terms to borrowers they perceive as reliable and trustworthy. Networking within the local lending community can also enhance your credibility. Attend industry events, join real estate investment groups, and actively seek opportunities to connect with lenders in your area. Building relationships with local lenders can give you a competitive advantage, as they often have a deeper understanding of the local market and may be more willing to work with investors they know personally. By consistently demonstrating your trustworthiness and building genuine relationships with lenders, you create a solid foundation for securing the financing you need and maximizing your chances of success in the competitive world of apartment investing. Navigating the loan landscape. Options for apartment investors. Securing the right financing is a crucial step in any successful apartment investment strategy. The good news is that there is a range of loan options available to suit different investment profiles and financial situations. Understanding the nuances of each financing avenue is essential for making informed decisions that align with your investment goals. Conventional mortgages, offered by banks and private lenders, are a popular choice for experienced investors with a strong financial track record. These loans typically come with competitive interest rates and flexible terms, making them an attractive option for those seeking long-term financing solutions. Government-backed loans, such as those offered by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, provide an alternative for investors seeking lower down payment requirements and more lenient credit criteria. For investors seeking specialized financing solutions or facing unique circumstances, exploring alternative financing options can be beneficial. Private lenders, crowdfunding platforms, and hard money lenders offer a departure from traditional lending avenues. These options may come with higher interest rates but can provide quicker approvals and greater flexibility, making them suitable for short-term investments or projects with specific financing needs. Navigating the world of apartment financing can feel overwhelming, but remember that knowledge is power. By thoroughly researching your options, comparing loan terms, and seeking guidance from experienced professionals, you can confidently choose the financing solution that best aligns with your investment strategy and sets you on the path to achieving your financial goals. Securing your success. A comprehensive loan package. Imagine approaching a lender with a compelling story, one that clearly outlines your investment vision and showcases your preparedness. That's precisely what a comprehensive loan package achieves. It's your opportunity to present a persuasive case for why your apartment investment deserves funding, and it plays a pivotal role in securing favorable loan terms. A well-structured loan package serves as a testament to your credibility and professionalism. It demonstrates to lenders that you have meticulously considered every aspect of your investment and are prepared to meet their requirements. This proactive approach can significantly streamline the loan approval process and inspire confidence in your ability to manage the investment successfully. Your loan package should include a detailed overview of the property, highlighting its income potential, market value, and any planned renovations or improvements. Lenders need to see a clear path to profitability and understand how their investment will generate returns. Transparency about your financial history is equally important. Include personal financial statements, tax returns, and details of your existing assets and liabilities. This financial snapshot provides lenders with a comprehensive understanding of your financial standing and ability to repay the loan. Lastly, outline your qualifications as a borrower. Highlight your experience in real estate investing, your creditworthiness, and your overall investment strategy. A well-articulated borrower profile can instill confidence in lenders and demonstrate your commitment to responsible borrowing. Remember, a comprehensive loan package is more than just a collection of documents. It's a strategic narrative that showcases your vision, professionalism, and commitment to success in the world of apartment investing.